as you mentioned, the open source strategy. How does that compare or differ on the data science side now from the enterprise client implementation standpoint? Talk about the technologies and the mix of open source there.
Yeah. Definitely. So with respect to data science solutions that we build, we use the existing cloud technology leaders that are out there, as well as the open source technologies out there. Let me give you an example, right? So we deliver all our solutions and all our projects very heavily on these cloud systems, may it be AWS or Microsoft Azure or GCP. So we use their ecosystems to develop our applications and our solutions, because most of the companies have them already. Why do we want to build any solutions away from the infrastructure that they already have? So we deliver the solutions in each of these cloud service providers. But in the same time, some of the algorithms we develop or some of the models we develop also leverage open source libraries like Python or R. So we try to get the best of both worlds. At the end of the day, we want to deliver a particular project or a solution which is best for that particular customer needs.
Absolutely. Many things to consider. Thanks, Srini.
Thank you.